To begin with, Trust Wallet is a popular digital wallet used for storing and managing cryptocurrencies. However, some users encounter issues during the installation process. The first common issue is incomplete or incorrect installation. This can be resolved by ensuring that the device meets the minimum system requirements and that the installation package is downloaded from the official website. Another issue is compatibility problems. Trust Wallet may not be compatible with older devices or operating systems. To resolve this, users should check the official website for supported devices and update their operating system to the latest version. Error messages during installation can also occur. In such cases, users should restart their device and try the installation again. If the issue persists, they should contact the support team for assistance. In some cases, the installation may be blocked by antivirus software. To resolve this, users should add the Trust Wallet installation package to the antivirus exception list or temporarily disable the antivirus software during installation. It is also important to note that some users may encounter issues with wallet creation or recovery. To avoid this, users should ensure that they have the latest version of Trust Wallet installed and that they follow the official guidelines for wallet creation and recovery. To avoid common issues with Trust Wallet installation, users should always download the installation package from the official website, ensure their device meets the minimum system requirements, and follow the official installation guidelines. By following these best practices, users can ensure a smooth and successful installation of Trust Wallet.